Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE comes with a full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, 8 speakers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.